Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Gina, and today I'm going to share with you a recipe that I found on, I think, Facebook. And it's called honey cheddar chicken. And the best thing is you put all the ingredients in your slow cooker, and that's all you got to do. And I'll show you how I did it. For this recipe, you're going to need some chicken breast, some shredded cheese, half a cup of honey, about a pound to a pound and a half of potatoes, half a cup of chicken broth, and a can of corn, and a package of ranch dressing, seasoning, and salt and pepper. Okay, I've added my chicken and salt and peppered it. Now we need to add the corn. And then I need to cut up potatoes. Now you want to take your ranch packet, dump it in a small bowl, and take your chicken broth, pour in, and add your half a cup of honey. Then you want to pour the mixture all over your chicken and potatoes and corn. Once you have everything together, cover, and I'm cooking mine on low for 6 to 7 hours, and I'll be back. Okay, there's a half an hour left, and it's time to add a cheese. You're only supposed to add a cup of cheese, but when it comes to cheese, I say measure with your heart. So let's get it on there. And I'm just gonna sprinkle until I feel it's enough. In my opinion, there cannot be enough cheese. One more. Okay, I think it's covered. Well, we got about half an hour and then it's going to be finished, and I hope it tastes as good as it smells, because man, it smells good in this house. So I'll see you in a bit. Now let's see if it's as good as it smells. It's got corn, cheese, and baby potatoes, and of course chicken, and honey. And honey is one of my favorite things. That is really, really good. That'll be on repeats here. Well, I hope you decide to make it. Leave it in the comments if you do. And as always, thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.